Good morning, children. Welcome to class 11th, Commerce section. This is the video for your subject Accounts. The chapter which will be discussed in this video is Meaning and Objectives of Accounting. This is the part 1 of the content, and the next part will be covered in the upcoming video. As I have already told you in the introductory video that the book which is prescribed for your subject is ISC Accountancy for class 11th by D.K. Goel. Let us start with the chapter. It is an introduction to accounting. As you can see, the heading which I have written here is Evolution of Accounting. Evolution, the word evolution means the origin, from where did the accounting originate or started. So as we can read, the seeds of accounting were first sown in Babylonia and Egypt around 4000 BC. Secondly, in India, accounting could be traced back to 23 centuries ago when Kautilya, a minister in Chandragupt's kingdom, wrote a book titled Arthashastra, which described how accounting records have to be kept. And thirdly, the presently followed system of double entry bookkeeping has been developed only in the 15th century. Its development goes to the genius of Fra Luca di Borgo Pisoli, a multi-talented mathematician and philosopher of Venice. So by going through these 3 points, we can summarize that in the first stage, originally the accounting knowledge etc. were originated from Babylonia and Egypt somewhere around in 4000 BC. In India, accounting was originated 3 centuries ago when Kautilya, a minister from Chandragupt's kingdom, wrote a book, and in this book, which was known as titled as Arthashastra, described how the accounting was to be done. And now the system which we are following is given or developed by Fra Luca di Borgo Pisoli, who is now better known as the father of accounting. As we can see here, who is the father of accounting? The father of accounting is Fra Luca di Borgo Pisoli. This is the full name of the father of accounting. Let us understand the meaning of accounting. In a very layman's language, accounting means we are doing something, we are recording something. And when we talk in technical terms, let us have a look at the meaning of accounting. Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting financial transactions related to economic events of an organization in a chronological order. Chronological order is also known as date-wise order. So as we can see that there are few words which have been underlined, such as process. So that means the first characteristic which we can analyze is that accounting is the process, means it goes step by step. And it is the process of what? It is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting. So these are the activities, these are the steps performed in accounting. And what do we record? What do we classify? What do we summarize? What do we analyze and interpret? We do these things with financial transactions. Financial transaction means those transactions or those activities of a business which can be measured in money terms. It relates to economic events. Economic events means those events, those activities which can be measured in terms of money, which involves the exchange of money or monies worth of an organization in a chronological order or date-wise order. So accounting एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम एक बिजनेस के, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के जितने भी इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं या जितने भी मॉनेटरी एक्सचेंजेस होते हैं और या ऐसे एक्सचेंजेस होते हैं जिसको हम मनी टर्म्स में मेजर कर सकते हैं, तो उन सारे ट्रांजैक्शंस को रिकॉर्ड, क्लासिफाई और समराइज करने का काम करता है अकाउंटिंग। साथ ही साथ उन्हीं रिकॉर्ड्स को एनालाइज भी करता है और इंटरप्रेट भी करता है, और ये सारी चीज़ें अकाउंटिंग करता है एक क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर यानी कि डेट वाइज ऑर्डर में, एक सीरियल ऑर्डर में, अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेट. Let us read the meaning of financial transactions as I have already explained you. These are the transactions which can be measured in terms of money. These are also known as monetary or pecuniary transactions. So financial transactions वो transactions होते हैं जिन्हें हम money terms में measure कर सकते हैं, और इनका दूसरा नाम होता है monetary transaction और pecuniary transaction. Let us read the definition of accounting. Definition means the words quoted by somebody. So that's why it is put in double inverted commas. As you can read, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money, transactions and event which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So this is the definition given by American Institute of Certified Public. और इस डेफिनेशन में बताया गया है कि अकाउंटिंग रिकॉर्डिंग, क्लासिफाइंग, समराइजिंग करता है एक सिग्निफिकेंट मैनर में मॉनेटरी ट्रांजैक्शंस को, जिससे एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की जो भी फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स हैं, पोजीशन है, उसको इंटरप्रेट किया जा सके, उसका रिजल्ट समझा जा सके. So this is the definition of accounting. There is another term used in accounting which is sometimes mistaken as same as accounting, but it is actually not. The term is bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is merely the recording and maintenance of financial transactions relating to economic events of an organization in a chronological or date-wise order. Bookkeeping क्या है? ये merely या ये सिर्फ only and only recording and maintenance है financial transactions का एक date-wise या chronological order में. मतलब in bookkeeping we do not classify, we do not analyze, we do not interpret just like accounting. Rather, we only and only record the financial transactions in a chronological order. So in this way it is different from accounting. Let us see the definition of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the science and art of recording business dealings in a set of books. This definition is given by J.R. Bartley Boy. According to J.R. Bartley Boy, bookkeeping सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक रूल है, एक रेगुलेशन है, एक आर्ट है अपने बिजनेस के ट्रांजैक्शंस को रिकॉर्ड करने का एक बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट में. Another word or term which is used quite similar to accounting, which is actually not, that is accountancy. Let us read the meaning. It refers to a systematic body of knowledge of accounting concerned with the principles and techniques which are applied in accounting. It tells us how to prepare the books of accounts, how to summarize the accounting information, and how to communicate it to the interested parties. This means that accountancy is a wider term. Accountancy makes the rules, regulations, laws, etc., which are needed to be followed by accounting. We have studied that accounting records, classifies, analyzes, interprets, etc. But how does it do that? It does that according to the rules regulation formulated by accountancy. जैसा accountancy rules regulations बनाता है वही accounting follow करता है. तो that means accountancy accounting के ऊपर है. Accountancy is the systemized body of knowledge and accounting is the follower of accountancy. Definition of accountancy. Accountancy refers to the entire body of theory and practice of accounting. Means accountancy में सारी theoretical knowledge है, principles etc. और practices हैं जो accounting follow करेगा, and this definition is given by Kohler. Let us understand the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. There are 3 columns. The first column is for basis, second is for bookkeeping, and third is for accounting. One instruction and advice, children, whenever you are writing differences, you have to write it in a tabular form because it increases your presentation and also it helps you in fetching better marks. So let us start. The first basis, that means किस basis पे हम differentiate कर रहे हैं. The first basis is scope. Bookkeeping is merely recording and maintenance of financial transactions in a chronological order, whereas accounting is the recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and interpreting financial transactions in a chronological order. Bookkeeping में हम सिर्फ recording, maintenance करते हैं फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शंस का डेट वाइज ऑर्डर में, लेकिन अकाउंटिंग में हम क्लासिफाई, समराइज, एनालाइज और इंटरप्रेट करते हैं फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शंस को डेट वाइज ऑर्डर में. सेकेंड डिफरेंस इज द स्टेज. बुककीपिंग इज प्राइमरी स्टेज, अकाउंटिंग इज सेकेंडरी स्टेज. इट स्टार्ट्स वेयर बुककीपिंग एंड्स. तो सबसे पहले ऑब्वियसली हमें रिकॉर्डिंग करना पड़ेगा, तभी हम आगे क्लासिफाई, एनालाइज, समराइज कर पाएंगे. तो इसका मतलब है कि हम बुक कीपिंग पहले कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम रिकॉर्डिंग पहले कर रहे हैं, और फॉलोड बाय अकाउंटिंग. देयरफॉर बुक कीपिंग इज द प्राइमरी स्टेज एंड अकाउंटिंग इज द सेकेंडरी स्टेज. थर्ड डिफरेंस, हु परफॉर्म्स, करता कौन है बुक कीपिंग का काम और अकाउंटिंग का काम. बुक कीपिंग इज परफॉर्म्ड बाय जूनियर स्टाफ known as bookkeeper, and accounting is performed by senior staff known as accountant. The one who does the work of bookkeeping is known as bookkeeper, and the one who does the book of accounting is known as accountant. Then objective. The objective of bookkeeping is to maintain systematic records of financial transactions. बुककीपिंग का ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है कि जितने भी फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शंस हो रहे हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में उसे डेट वाइज रिकॉर्ड कर सके. एंड द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इज टू असर्टेन द नेट रिजल्ट्स एंड फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन ऑफ द बिजनेस एंड कम्युनिकेट देम टू इंटरेस्टेड पार्टीज. अकाउंटिंग का ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है कि वो एक बिजनेस, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के नेट रिजल्ट यानी ट्रू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉसेस को कैलकुलेट कर सके, उसकी फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन कैसी है वो कम्युनिकेट कर सके किसे, जो भी लोग बिजनेस में इंटरेस्टेड है. तो दीज आर द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन बुककीपिंग एंड अकाउंटिंग. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अकाउंटिंग एंड अकाउंटेंसी. Again there are 3 columns. First column is for basis, second is for accounting, and third is for accountancy. The first basis is meaning. Accounting is concerned with recording, classifying and summarizing of transactions, whereas accountancy, it's a body of knowledge prescribing certain rules or principles to be observed while recording, classifying and summarizing of transaction. In simple words, it means that Accounting does the work of recording, classifying, analyzing, summarizing, etc., whereas accountancy formulates the rules so as to how these process is to be done. Since accountancy makes the rule and accounting follows, therefore, the second difference is scope. Accounting is a narrow in scope and accountancy is a wider scope. क्योंकि अकाउंटेंसी रूल्स बनाता है और अकाउंटिंग फॉलो करता है, इसलिए अकाउंटिंग एक नैरो टर्म है, अकाउंटेंसी एक वाइडर टर्म है. द रिलेशन. अकाउंटिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन बुक कीपिंग. जब तक रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं होगी अकाउंटिंग का आगे का काम नहीं हो सकता, क्लासिफाई, एनालाइजिंग, समराइजिंग, इंटरप्रेटिंग. बट अकाउंटेंसी डिपेंड्स बोथ ऑन बुक कीपिंग एंड अकाउंटिंग, क्योंकि अकाउंटेंसी ने जो रूल बनाया वो फॉलो कौन करेगा? बुक कीपिंग एंड अकाउंटिंग. द फोर्थ डिफरेंस इज द फंक्शन. द फंक्शन ऑफ अकाउंटिंग is to ascertain the net results and for the financial position of the business and to communicate them to interested parties. हम फंक्शन भी कह सकते हैं, हम ऑब्जेक्टिव भी कह सकते हैं. अकाउंटिंग का फंक्शन या ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है कि बिजनेस के नेट रिजल्ट्स यानी नेट प्रॉफिट, नेट लॉस, उसकी फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन कैलकुलेट करना, एस्टिमेट करना, रिकॉर्ड करना और उसे उन पार्टीज़ को प्रोवाइड करना जो कि बिजनेस में इंटरेस्टेड है उस पर्टिकुलर. एंड अकाउंटेंसी, द पर्पस और द फंक्शन इज इट इंक्लूड्स द डिसीजन मेकिंग फंक्शन also on the basis of information provided by bookkeeping and accounting. अकाउंटेंसी का ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि रूल्स रेगुलेशंस बनाना अकाउंटिंग और बुक कीपिंग के लिए और अकाउंटिंग और बुक कीपिंग से जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है उसके बेसिस पर आगे के रूल्स मेंटेन करना. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन अकाउंटिंग एंड अकाउंटेंसी. आई होप द टॉपिक discussed in this video is clear to you. This is the assignment or the homework which you are required to do in your register based on the topics taught in this part. And already as I have already told you, you need to prepare a register, both side ruled, and you have to answer the questions in your register. Question number 1, define accounting. You have to write the definition of accounting given by: accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions and event which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So this is the definition which you can write as an answer or you can take it from the PDF or your book. Second question. Name the father of accounting. The father of accounting is Fra Luca di Borgo Pisoli. The third question. Define bookkeeping. The answer to this question is: bookkeeping is the science and art of recording business dealings in a set of books as given by J.R. Bartley Boy. Question number 4. Define accountancy. The answer to this question is: accountancy refers to the entire body of the theory and practice of accounting as given by Kohler. Question number 5. State the meaning of financial transactions. Financial transactions are those transactions which can be measured in terms of money. Question number 6. State any 3 differences between accounting and bookkeeping. So the difference can be: accounting involves the work of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and interpreting financial transactions in a chronological order, whereas bookkeeping is merely recording of financial transactions in a chronological order. Accounting is the secondary stage and bookkeeping is the primary stage. And the third difference can be accounting is done by accountant and bookkeeping is done by bookkeeper. The difference between accounting and accountancy can be written as accounting follows the rules, regulations, laws, etc. formulated by accountancy, whereas accountancy formulates the rules, regulations, laws to be followed by accounting. Then another difference can be accounting is a narrow term and accountancy is a wider term. Third difference you can write that accounting depends upon bookkeeping, whereas accountancy depends upon both bookkeeping and accounting. So these are the questions which you need to write in your register. Go through the video once so that you can revise the topics discussed here and complete your written work. Thank you children. Take care.